it will be help for the women's for?
See, all women are capable of handling things. We have given lot of strength, lot of programs to women. Women are capable. That is why they wanted to form an association. We are encouraging them. I saw, when I became a minister at irrigation, I could see in Asan, there were 3 women AS officers working there. SP of Asan, DC of Asan and CO. From 3 years, they could not open only 10,000 feet of complication. They could not connect. So I ordered them. I gave some direction. Within 1 month, they implemented, and we could bring back the water of Etinode. So women are more capable if you give them strength, but they need a direction. That's all. ನಾನು ಯಾಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂದರೆ, ನಾನು ಏನು ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಹೇಳಬೇಕು ಅಂತಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂದರೆ, ಹೆಣ್ಮಕ್ಳು ಕೂಡ ಎಲ್ಲ ಥರದ ಶಕ್ತಿ ಇದೆ.